Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Hyundai Sonata 2016. This car comes from Sydney area, okay. So the same issue with many other Sonata that we have done before, which actually it has the faulty head unit, faulty screen, no sound, no steering wheel control, no USB port, no touch screen, and no reverse camera. So at this moment we already did the full upgrade of the 7-inch touchscreen with the wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto, which you see the wireless Android Auto is on the screen now, and we are recording this video with our Android phone, connecting to the system now. All the steering wheel controls button connect very well into the system here, and the factory USB ports still keep connecting, working with the new system. And we have the second USB port that we fit into the glove box, and also we upgrade the factory reverse camera into our new Full HD anti-glare and Super Night Vision reverse camera, which is a very common upgrade for this Sonata that we have done so far. But also in this case we actually have a new upgrade option, and we already did into this version now. So what it is when you reverse, you actually will see the parking sensor on the screen here in the front of your dash, okay, like that. But on our system here you will see, including the normal guideline on the screen for the reverse camera, we also see the dash camera, the parking sensor system showing up here, and when we reverse close the object, this screen will show up 4 different sections of the 4 reverse parking sensor at the back end. If in case the car has 8 parking sensor, it will show front and rear, but in this car model now we only have 4 parking sensors, so we can show 4 at the back end, because we don't move the car right now, but we already got the system showing up with the parking sensor over here. And that is the very new update of the system, and probably that is a very good features for the upgrade at this moment, because on the dashboard here it only show 3 sections for the parking sensor, one left, one right, in the middle. But this one, it actually will show 4 of the parking sensor section. So yeah, that's the way that we actually get the upgrade for this model. And also this one now is fully connect through the steering wheel control and the head unit by the computer section, so it's all good. So that's the work that we finished in the Sonata 2016 in Sydney, and we're happy to show up that it is a new one with some new upgrade, little but very nice feature on the screen. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and see you on this one.